various different types of yoga, ones that are a little more slow flow, stretching, and a little more fitness and athletic. Depending on the type that you want to practice, it's going to vary on how long you practice and if you practice every day. Now, of course, any sort of exercise daily is going to be great. So if you're going to take a little bit of the stretching or slow flow, practice that every single day is going to be very beneficial. However, if you lean towards the really rigorous, challenging, and athletic yoga, I would probably try to keep it to maybe 3 to 4 times a week, and then make sure you have some rest time in between, whether you do some gentle stretches within yoga or you just completely relax and do no yoga at all. Now, the length of time that you actually practice is really going to depend on what feels best in your body. Practicing 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day is going to be great. If you can actually fit in more, an hour, hour and a half, that's going to really serve you as well. So it really depends on the style of yoga that you're practicing and what feels best in your body. You don't want to be exhausted. Yoga is supposed to be revitalizing. It's going to give you energy. So doing a very hardcore yoga every single day, if your body can hold that and stand it, great. But for most people, make sure you take some rest days and allow your body to rest, your muscles to rest, and that's going to serve you even better in your practice.